We had been locked indoors for more than 6 months after the COVID. Back in November, we decided to hit the roads. A much needed break. So we packed our bikes and off we went. The terrain kept changing from the chaos of capital to the calm of beautiful mountain villages. From the lush green forests to the wildest of rivers, the journey starts. From the dangerous Himalayan trails to the stupendous view of mountains, closer to the nature. Oh yes, it feels like home. The wilderness and the obstacles you face keeps your adrenaline pumping. The culture, lifestyle, and the people make your journey special. Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. The journey is the destination.